Let's go drift it.
Alright, today I'm going to check some loose bolts, put some thread lock on them for the, something's loose over here, the wheel. Let me show you. Can't really see it, but it's definitely some movement. I double check that. Then do some packing. So let's back the car. Turn the wheel. Look at that stupid angle. Some of the repair last time. I'm going to check those bolts because there's no lock on them. Check those bolts. There's no washers on them. It's super greasy, nasty under there. We'll see what we can do. So greasy there because I've got a leaky strut, which will be fixed when I do coilovers. And let's take these off. So I got the bolt out. Looks alright. Clean up, put some Loctite on it, put it back in. I'm just going to put a line on there. Should be good. And this looks go right back in here. In there. Now that's done. Check my camber. I think I'll probably put some more camber into it. So I'll try and do that right now. Just gonna loosen these 4 bolts, move this in. The camber will help me with keep the contact patch flat. Everything else in here looks pretty good. I do need to paint the headers again at some point, but otherwise everything looks good. Alright, got that all set. Do this side. I have to push that over. Alright, got that over. Set. Look at that camper. So one other thing I want to check is the Parasitic draw. So I am going to clean up a little because this place is a mess, and then check that out. A multimeter. So what I'll do here is I'll hook up the battery, and then put the multimeter in between my grounds and see if I've got any amperage when there's nothing on. Right now we'll just measure from the negative terminal to ground. See what we get. Let's see what we get. Got that. You can see 1.8 amps. So there's something drawing power. And I'm going to start pulling fuses and see what happens. So I found the culprit. This 10 amp fuse here, which goes to this pink wire, which goes into the engine harness. So looks like there's something there. I'm gonna look on the engine harness, see if I can find out where that exactly goes. So I'm back out here. What I'm going to do is, on the pink wire, since I know it's a pink wire, I'm going to put the power, or probably turn the battery back, connect it back up, and then see which pink wire doesn't have power, and that would be the one that's shorting out. Could also do, which I may try as well, is taking just finding which one's continuous to ground. So let's go ahead and do that. So I found out that it is the injectors. So I'm going to go here. No voltage. So I'm going to trace that wire back and see if there's a short. So I checked to see if there was a short in the injectors, unplugged them all, still get that pink wire going to ground. So it probably is in the ECU, or maybe the way the ECU is mounted. I'm going to check there next. I don't think I'm going to do that today though. Do that tomorrow. So thanks guys for watching. This is going to be the first of hopefully many vlogs. We'll see how this goes. So please stay tuned. Let me know what you think and have a good one.